right here, and I booked that place right here. I don't know. Let's see what kind of video I can take with the Mavic Pro. So I was talking to a friend the other day, and then he was saying how like at least everyone who bought a drone, they crashed the drone at least once. So I was just telling him that, well, it's not something that I want happening to me. But he did say that 90% of the time when the drone crashes is because of human error. So I'm going to be really careful, but I also don't want to jinx it. And I'm also not too sure if I can fly the drone at the tennis court. I'm going to try anyway. I look like a VCD seller. Hello, hello. So here I am at the tennis court, but I'm not sure if I booked court 1 or court 2. It should be court 1. So this place is big enough and with the least trees, so I think it's a perfect place for me to start my first flight. Okay, here we go.
Take off. Your point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
This is my first time. I'm sorry.
What's up, everybody? It is a Wednesday today, and it's gonna be a full day of work. Now, usually around this time of day, I try to make coffee for 2, because Eunice, most of the time, she's the one that sleeps later than I do. But if I do wake up earlier, then I'm in charge of making the coffee. Good morning.
Good morning.
Coffee for you.
Yeah.
Morning. Sleepyhead. It is time. Time for what? It is time to drink my morning coffee and get to work.
I'm sorry.
One, two, one, hey. I am at Maverick right now, and today I got to work with the one and only Gabriel Lynch.
Amazing.
And yeah, this is the first time I'm working with him, and most of the time I'm working with Adam or Michelle from Maverick, but this has been a good experience so far. And together at the same time on the table is Cell.
Hello.
If you guys are in the band scene, you would know who he is because
he's a famous bass player.
yeah. And we are back at my apartment. I'm still working on the KL24 Zombies. Majority of the movies that you guys watch, the sounds that you hear are actually not the sound that was shot on location. So they get Foley artists and sound designers to remake or create the environment that is in that scene. So I like to show you guys something. Alright, so as you guys see this scene right here, there is no sound because the audio is not usable during the shoot. So what I had to do is recreate the sound effects for this scene. I can't show too much or else the producers or the director will kill me. So I just want to show you guys this part. So what I did was that I have to create the sound of him running and then the sound of the environment which he's in and the sound of the zombies that are around the area. A lot of times we are presented with a footage with audio that cannot be used, but we have to create it from scratch, or the type of sounds that we think that it is in the scene. As you can see, I have a few files here. First up is sound of the place that the guy is in. So yeah, now you can hear a little bit of the sort of ambient sound, the alleyway, and there of course you see there are zombies and stuff, but I still have to create the sound of his running, and of course when you run you breathe. Check it out. So I got his running and breathing right here. So now that I have him breathing and running, I have to create the zombie sounds. So this is how it all sounds like when you put everything together. See? That's it. So a lot of times in the movies that you see, a lot of the sounds are made this way. Someone, like just anyone, when they watch a movie, it's the experience of the whole movie. But this is the power of like sound design though. When you watch a movie, you don't really realize, you know, unless you go in there and you really listen to the sound and see, you know, how they make it, or is it real or is it not. But either way, sound is very important in film. It helps the audience believe in the story or in the scene. It's so much easier to do than to explain. But anyway, I just want to share with you guys what I do sometimes for work. So I will catch you all on the next one. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll see you guys soon.